Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to set double tap to screen lock in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to gestures. Here select put the display to sleep and turn on this button, put the display to sleep. Now go to home screen and double tap anywhere on the home screen and screen will be locked. Screen lock is now applied. See here. So in this way you can easily put screen lock using double tap over the screen. See here. Okay. So in this way you can easily activate double tap to screen lock in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.